Good morning. I have some breakouts today, so just try to ignore that. Today I'm actually going to my brother's house to babysit my niece, but I'm actually staying the night because they're doing like a night away kind of thing. So I thought I would vlog today, and yeah, I just thought I'd vlog. So right now it's early in the morning and I have to finish editing a video and get that up, and then I'm going to take a shower, put my makeup on. I don't go to their house till later, but I'm also going to leave like an hour and a half earlier because I'm going to do like a new style video for me, which is shopping at a Dollar Tree I've never been to before. Not that that matters to anyone else because you don't know what Dollar Tree like that I go to begin with, but I don't know, that's what I want to title the video. So I thought it would be interesting because I never really like venture out to other Dollar Trees. I always have like five-ish that I was like, what is that noise? Like about five-ish that I kind of go to. So, and this one's gonna be in Dallas, and I don't know, just thought it'd be interesting. So I'm gonna leave early to film that video. And again, yeah, so oh my gosh, today is just not cute. So I'm gonna edit, and then I don't know like what I have planned to show you guys between now and then, but you know. Okay, so I'm kind of done getting ready. I kind of have a full face of makeup, but I didn't do like a full eye, and I still haven't put on my lip, but I'm already annoyed. Do you ever do that? You put on makeup and you're just like, oh, I don't want anything on my face. That's what I'm feeling right now, but we're already here. And I was gonna put my hair up, and then I reminded myself why I don't put it up to begin with, because I don't look cute in a ponytail unless I have a hat on. So I'm leaving my hair down. I'm probably gonna throw it up anyway, just because I am babysitting my niece and my hair tends to get in the way, whether I'm like holding her or whatever. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and pack my overnight bag. So let's go ahead and do that. so here is what I'm taking. My pajamas, which I haven't worn yet, so this will be the first time I wear them. I got them at Nordstrom's Rack. I'm out of breath. I got some green fuzzy socks. This is the closest thing I have. No, I have some candy cane ones I could use, but I honestly don't care if they match. Some socks for tomorrow, and then I have my makeup, my deodorant, my moisturizer. I got my makeup wipes. I have my just an extra toothbrush, my toothpaste, my iPad, and then this is going to be tomorrow's outfit, so this is for that. My undies, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be wearing the vest, but I brought it just in case. This is my white shirt. I've actually worn this outfit before in one of my videos, and I actually really like it, so I want to wear it again. And it's my white shirt, which I'm going to wear with black leggings, my black long sleeve sweater, so only a little bit of white will show, my jean jacket, and then if I want to keep layering, I'll add the vest and then the jacket. And then I'm wearing these shoes today with my outfit, and then it will go with this, and that way I don't have to bring extra shoes. And the same goes for my jewelry. I'm just gonna wear, you guys know, I'm not even gonna say it. I have all of these on kind of stacked. It's kind of cute, so I could, again, dupe them with the same outfit for tomorrow. I think I am gonna grab my watch, even though I still haven't fixed it. So at this point, it's really just a showpiece serving zero purpose, but I think it will make my outfit a little bit more feminine, yet, I don't know, something. So doing that. And I'm also going to take my laptop. Is there anything else that I need? I don't know, but let's go ahead and get all of this into a bag. I am about to head off soon. I'm leaving earlier just because I think I mentioned it, because I'm going to stop at a Dollar Tree in Dallas, but I'm bringing that air filter. One, it'll just be easier for me because I'm used to sleeping with it, but also because my niece loves that thing. She loves playing with it. She loves turning it on and off. So I'm going to grab this and put it in my bag as well. All right, I am about to walk out the door. This part of my hair is not working today. Why is it that every time I pick up this camera, I'm just so out of breath? I'm not sure. Something's like off about this outfit. I think it's the ill-fitting look of these jeans and the fact that like my socks are showing. So I'm gonna try to fix that, but this is kind of the look I wanted to go for. Just a plain white tee with some like gold jewelry with the pearl detail. And then this belt, which if you've watched my vlogs, then you would have seen me show this somewhere. I got it on Amazon. I'll link it if they still have it. But this is like a Gucci dupe. I think it's Gucci. But anyway, I also have the matching purse, but I'm not carrying it just because I feel like it's a little too much to go babysit in, and I'm ultimately gonna just be comfortable. But all right, I don't know if that is a little bit better, but I rolled up the jeans a little bit and then just kind of try to tuck in my socks. I love how they're like no show socks, but they're showing. All right, here we go. Looks pretty large. Holy crap. I feel like I need to clean this. I've never seen anything like this. Oh, look how cute. Oh my gosh, it's almost impossible to shop in here.
I don't see them.
Alright, so I'm still vlogging. I'm in the Chick-fil-A line, and let me tell you, quick story time. So I wanted to film that video, the Dollar Tree haul, where I go to a Dollar Tree I've never been to before. It looked like it had so much potential. I'm probably going to insert clips in this vlog so that you can see, but it was almost inshoppable. I don't know like how you would phrase it, but it was awful. Like I don't understand. Stuff was everywhere on the floor. If I touched something, it all like tumbled down. It just did not work out. So I'm gonna attempt this video concept at a different Dollar Tree. But I did get some things. I did buy some things because like I'm not leaving here until I get this stuff in my cart. And yeah. So anyway, I'm stopping at Chick-fil-A just because I need to get some dinner, and like I don't know what's in their house. So I'm gonna get some Chick-fil-A and then gonna go see my little baby.